I believe that we are in the middle of a massive transformation in the tech industry with AI. What that means is that the technical stack that we use, whether on the consumer side or on the enterprise or in physical AI or robotics, that's going to completely change. And all the application will be rewritten, and the entire ecosystem or the tech stack that is used by organizations will change over the next 10 years. Right now, a gigawatt of AI factory requires about $50 billion of investment. And people are already talking about tens of gigawatts of new AI factories that will be built over the next 3 years. So a lot of AI factories will be built, a lot of inference services will be running, models, doing reasoning, will be running inside these AI factories. What will be obvious is, as we are seeing this massive infrastructure build out, and we have seen that in the past as well, when internet was taking off or when social or mobile took off in the last 15, 20 years, is security is something that often gets overlooked. And once people have deployed their applications, they've built a new tech stack, then they go back and think about security. How do they secure their data? How do they stay compliant? And I think as we are going through this massive transformation, building out new infrastructure, being able to embed security in the infrastructure build out while it's happening is super important. I'm a firm believer that security should be built in rather than bolted on or built after the fact. As AI factories are being built, and a lot of infrastructure is being built right now for AI leaders should be thinking about how they can make security part of the build out, how they can make it part of the tech stack as it is being built today, rather than come back a couple of years later and think about how do we add security to this infrastructure that they're building.